What's up, guys? I found in Moscow a circus, but the most interesting part is not a circus by itself, but the cars that it has. Mostly, as I saw, they are Americans. So there's like F350 there, a Mustang, a Chevrolet Express. Like probably this place is the most that I saw cars from US in all my life, probably. So this one is for the 650. Look at the wheels. Oh, it's like a proper truck. Like I think one of the first time that I see this type of car in my life. But the wheels are they are actually bigger than this one. This is a Scania and this one has bigger wheels than this. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look, there it is. Cool. So a lot of trucks. Another Chevrolet Express. So this circus is in this region of Moscow for a month. I haven't been inside. It's just like it's just all about the cars. So there are like a lot of big semi trucks that carry all that stuff. And here's like the region where it is just a highway, and near the trading mall. They set it up near the trading mall. Ooh, another truck and another Ford with a screen on it. Cool. So probably the reason why they have American cars, because they're like the most the biggest ones. So there's another Ford. Like the thing is that if you go any on this parking or like stay on this highway for an hour, you won't see any Ford 150 or 250. No, in fact this is the first 50 I'm seeing in this half of a year, I think. So here's the entrance. I don't think that we're going inside. Tigers, little kitties, balloon kitties. Oh, I'm a very serious tiger. Look at me. Now they have a really lot of stuff going on. Oh, and another truck. This truck is Ford as well, or not Ford, I'm not sure. I think that's Ford. And a Toyota, which is also from America, because we didn't have sold these in Russia. Cool. So yeah, that was a quick tour to a Russian circus with American cars. So see you next time, guys. Bye.